everybody a quick hack on how to get rid of weeds that are in your patio, like in your bricks. And you don't have to pick them out one by one. I'm going to show you what to do. Don't have to be at full throttle, and make sure that whenever you're using the weed whacker, it's pointed in the same direction. That way you're not spitting anything towards a window or a car. And you don't have to be full power, you just have to just be on the throttle like halfway. And it'll clean all these weeds out of here. And then once all the weeds are cleaned out, then you go over with weed killer. And then that will eliminate the weeds for like 3 months. And then they start coming back, just do it again. That way you're not down on your hands and knees, picking out weed by weed by weed in every single crack. It's a good little hack, so. I gotta edit that out. Right here, Pat. How I'm not at full throttle. Alright, now you can see how good that cleaned that up.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's a great little trick. That way you're not spending your whole day down on your hands and knees, you know, picking out every little weed. Just grab your weed eater, weed whacker, and then just, like I said, don't go full throttle, just tilt it a little bit, and just kind of work from like the corner, and then just kind of work your way over. Pointed in a safe direction, like I said, and wear safety glasses too. I know I wasn't wearing safety glasses, but wear safety glasses. And if you, like I said, if you're not at full throttle, then if you hit like a little object, it's not going to go real far. But see how great that cleaned it up. And then whenever you clean it up, go get some weed killer, you know, season long weed killer. Spray it down, let it dry, and you should be good to go for the year. And if they start kind of creeping back, just kind of do the same thing. If not, just hit it with weed killer again, and that should take care of the problem for the season. Right, Pat?
Yeah, man. No.
Pat's doing a great job doing the mulching. He just did some foot edging. And we're getting there one by one. One by one, Pat.